Hello and welcome to another Meridian Minute. Today I'm going to discuss whether or not, depending on your circumstances, you should look at incurring L.M.I or lender's mortgage insurance. So first of all, lender's mortgage insurance is something that will apply whenever you are borrowing more than 80% of the value of a property. For most banks, there'll be a lender's mortgage insurance charge occurring. So in this scenario here, if you were to borrow at 80% and use a 20% deposit, basically there would not be lender's mortgage insurance. However, if you were to secure this same property by using a 90% here instead of 80% and therefore using a 10% deposit, therefore lender's mortgage insurance would be occurring. So depending on the price of the property and the loan level required, the lender's mortgage insurance fee will be different. So let's use a consistent or a common expense which sits around the $10,000 level. So $10,000 of lender's mortgage insurance would apply. Now, normally, again, depending on the bank, this amount here would actually go on top of the loan, which means that it doesn't actually affect the amount of cash or equity required to enter the investment. So $10,000 would actually also be a tax-deductible cost, again, depending on your circumstances, which can be claimed back over the first 5 years of owning that particular property. So what you really need to do is determine whether or not incurring this cost, and you get a bit of that back in your tax, is worthwhile. The reason a lot of people consider incurring lender's mortgage insurance is because now they've used a 10% deposit instead of a 20% deposit. What that may allow this investor to do is actually split those two 10% and use that to purchase two investment properties rather than focusing on just purchasing the one alone. If the second investment property that is purchased because of this strategy and incurring lender's mortgage insurance actually grows and appreciates at a greater rate than this expense that's been incurred, then it was a profitable decision and a smart investment decision for that particular investor. So personally, in my experience, I've invested in 9 properties and every time I've incurred this expense of lender's mortgage insurance when a loan's been involved. So to me, it's worthwhile if you're making the right investment decision for that second particular property. Again, it will differ depending on individual circumstances, but I hope that makes sense and I hope you've got a better understanding now about lender's mortgage insurance and why some people incur it and why some people decide not to. Thanks for listening to another Meridian Minute.